Hi, I'm Laura Filliger. I'm also in Bethany Jenkins' lab, and so now we will be moving into the Southern Ocean. Um, and so my work is the comparison of bacterial recruited by azenic Southern Ocean diatoms under iron stress. So as Chris mentioned, there are large regions of the ocean that are iron limited, and so the largest region is the Southern Ocean. And so my general work is trying to figure out the different coping strategies that these diatoms can use to survive in these regions. And so on board a recent Southern Ocean cruise in last September 2016, I did an experiment to try and gauge what kind of interactions there might be between different Southern Ocean diatoms and their bacteria friends. And so what I did is I took 3 previously isolated Southern Ocean diatoms from the Southern Ocean, Fragileiopsis, Pseudonychia, and Thalassiocyra, and I made them azenic or bacteria-free in the lab. I brought them on board with me. I grew them in iron, plus iron, and minus iron conditions. And on day 3, I added back their bacteria community by essentially filtering the surrounding Southern Ocean seawater, 3-micron filtering it and adding back that water. And then I let them go a little bit further and took subsampled for different measurements such as chlorophyll, photosynthetic efficiency, bacteria counts. And a major thing that we want to look for is also the production of siderophores, which are bacterially produced organic ligands that can exogenously bind exogenous iron. And so diatoms may be able to take up this iron and take up these iron-bound siderophores. And so my main questions were, do iron-stressed diatoms recruit different bacterial communities, and are the recruited bacteria producing siderophores? And some preliminary results we have are the diatoms that I did grow did experience iron limitation, which is really great. And we have isolated 20 siderophore-producing bacterial strains from these iron-limited diatoms. So Alexa will tell you a little bit more about these bacteria.